Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to design eye-catching stickers and start selling them on Etsy? Click the Create button at the top of the page, then enter Stickers into the search bar. Select the rectangular landscape option from the Layout menu. This will change your workspace to a horizontal orientation, providing more room for your project elements and design. Select your preferred design from the options displayed. Click once on the design to apply it instantly to your current project or document layout. For example, here's how you can do it. First, select the option you need. Next, click on the desired action button. Follow the prompts that appear, and your task will be completed successfully. Select the item you want to change. Click to highlight it, then press the Delete key to remove it from your document or workspace. Click the Share button in the upper right corner of your document. Then, select Copy Link to easily share it with others. To change the power settings, go to the Settings menu and select Power Options. From here, you can adjust the power mode to suit your needs, such as switching between balanced, power saver, or high performance. If you want to revert your changes, simply select the original power mode and your previous settings will be restored automatically. You can also add another element to your design. To do this, open the Elements panel and search for flowers. Browse the available sample flowers to find one you like. Click on the flower to add it to your project. Resize or move it as needed to fit your design perfectly. Click the Add button to include the selected item in your list. Confirm the addition and the item will appear with your existing entries immediately. Click the Share button in the upper right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Download option. In the File Type section, choose PDF Print to ensure your document is saved in high quality. Before proceeding, check the Pages settings. Make sure the option is set to All Pages so the entire document is included in your PDF download. If only a specific range of pages is selected, expand the settings and select All Pages to avoid missing any content. Next, review any other settings or adjustments you might need, such as setting crop marks, bleed, or flattening the PDF if your document contains transparent elements. These options are not always necessary, but it's good to be aware of them in case your printer or publishing requirements specify certain configurations. Once you've confirmed all your selections, click on the Download button. The system will process your file and the download will begin automatically. Navigate to your Downloads folder to find the saved PDF file. Open it to double-check that all pages and content appear as expected. Your document is now ready for printing, sharing, or uploading as a professional-looking PDF file. Following these steps ensures you export your work successfully, maintaining both format and quality. Now you can make and sell your own stickers on Etsy using Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.